You liking my setup? You liking my setup? So today we're going to teach you how to properly shoot slow motion. There's rules. You have to follow rules. Compared to photography and video, there are rules. Right now I'm shooting at 24 frame rate, so my shutter should be at 150, so you got to double the frame rate. So 24 plus 24 is 48, and the closest to 48 is 50. Let's say you're just vlogging and you decide you want to slow something down. I'm going to use this ball as an example. Ready? Now let's slow that down again. Very choppy. Now you may be asking why you gotta double the frame rate, because the 180 degree rule, right? Yeah. And why you want to double the frame rate? To give you the most natural look. So you want to shoot double the frame rate. So if you're shooting 24, you want to shoot 150th. In my case, 60 frame rate per second. The proper slow motion is 120. And if you want to shoot in 120, so on, 240. Do the math. Simple addition. Use your calculator if anything. So now let's take it into slow motion. So I'm recording 120 frame rates. As you can see, the flicker lights. All right, so now I got the ball again. Let's slow it down. Ready? Let's try it again. Now, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the left side, that's all jittery, or you prefer the right side, that's all smooth? It's up to you to decide, but yeah, that was it. Hope this video was very helpful and to get you started into shooting proper slow motion. My name is Amaudis, and I'm outie.
Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LA BB, who we running with? Yeah, 2 2 3 3, I'm on 10 again.